Premium Palo Santo scent with notes of bright cardamom, dry papyrus and aromatic Palo Santo. Conditions and softens coarse facial hair. Locks in moisture and keeps beard smooth and shiny. Keeps beard and skin underneath smelling fresh and clean. Lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. Provides protective properties for a healthy appearance. The hair on your face is not the same as the hair on your head. Facial hair requires a specialized grooming regimen. Cremo Beard Care Products answer the unique requirements of beards, no matter the length. From beard wash and scruff cream to revitalizing oils and styling balms, each is expertly designed to soothe, soften and relieve the itch. So whether it's short and scruffy or long and glorious, your beard will always look and feel its best. Grow a beard to be proud of and beard boldly. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I've been looking for a beard serum to use for years, but they kept breaking out my sensitive skin. This product by Cremo is top-notch and works really well. The smell is a little strong, but that's it.